Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered what the #1 cause of skin aging is? And do you ever wonder if skin aging can be reversed? Well, I'm going to show you the primary driver of skin aging and then what you can do about it, and in some cases maybe even reverse it. And that's without cosmetic surgery, of course. So let's dive in. Many people think that the primary drivers of skin aging is sun damage, smoking, or poor diet. And whilst they are important, they are environmental factors. But the primary biological reason of why our skin ages is the loss of skin cells through a natural process called telomere attrition. In this video, we'll explain what telomeres are, how losing them ages your skin faster, and a way to prevent this from happening. To understand telomeres, we first need to understand a bit about skin cells. I want you to think of skin cells as tiny protein factories. Skin cells constantly manufacture essential proteins like collagen, which provides structure and firmness, elastin, which allows skin to stretch and bounce back, and of course hyaluronic acid, which hydrates and plumps the skin. When we're young, our skin cells are actively pumping out these proteins, keeping our complexion smooth, firm and radiant. But as we age, we begin to lose skin cells, which means we produce less and less of these vital rejuvenation proteins. So why is that? The answer lies in telomeres. Telomeres are protective caps on the ends of our chromosomes. I want you to think of telomeres as cellular fuses. Each time a cell divides, the telomeres get a little bit shorter and shorter. When they get too short, the cell can no longer divide and the cell becomes either senescent or it dies. As we lose more and more skin cells to telomere attrition, we have fewer cells left to produce collagen, elastin and hyaluronic acid. And the result is that skin becomes thinner, drier, less elastic and more prone to wrinkles. And this is exactly why a baby's face looks round and plump, but a 95-year-old's face mostly looks skinny and gaunt because they are running out of skin cells and they can no longer manufacture the proteins that rejuvenate their skin. So the obvious trick here is to prevent telomere shortening, which means your cells do not reach their divisional limits, which equates to your skin being able to produce more and more of the rejuvenation proteins such as collagen, elastin, hyaluronic acid. What's more interesting is that when you reverse telomere shortening, which prevents your cellular populations from decreasing, you will eventually reach a point where your skin cell populations can start increasing their numbers back towards more youthful levels. As those cellular populations increase, so too does the amount of collagen, elastin, hyaluronic acid, fibronectin, laminin, and many other proteins involved in youthful looking skin. So how do you lengthen telomeres? Well, I am lucky enough to work with a talented team of scientists that have developed a skin cream called TL17. TL17 also inhibits an immune cell called interleukin 17. Interleukin 17 increases inside the dermis as we age and has been shown to hamper cellular communication, which can result in speeding up skin aging. The TL17 technology has been shown to lengthen telomeres and also inhibit interleukin 17, hence how the team came up with the name TL17. So it's worth noting that if you made it this far into this video, then you are interested in skin aging and probably already use various skin creams. And that's great that you take care of your skin, but if you are also serious about preventing further skin aging, you must also include something into your skincare regime to prevent the loss of skin cells or the shortening of telomeres. I should also note that preventing cells from reaching their divisional limits also prevents cellular senescence or senescent cells, which we will cover in another video very shortly. But if you don't target telomeres and maintain skin cell populations, your skin will age no matter what fancy skin creams you use, and you'll be wasting your time and money. So remember, think of skin cells as tiny protein factories which keep your skin young, so maintain skin cell populations as your primary weapon against skin aging. And then of course, feel free to use whatever other skin creams that you see fit. And if you want to learn more about skin creams and telomeres, check out Teleskin at www.teleskin.com, where you can learn much more about TL17. And note that Teleskin is a research company that funds research into technology called tissue reprogramming, where we take older tissues such as heart, lung, brain, etc., and reprogram them to exhibit youthful biomarkers. We want to make older people more youthful and prevent the diseases of old age. And this type of technology is closer than you think. So supporting Teleskin is supporting research into literal anti-aging technologies. Feel free to leave questions and comments below. And don't forget to grab a copy of my book, The Anti-Aging Toolkit, 2nd edition out now, at www.scienceofaging.life. And if you enjoyed this content, I make videos about human aging and how to restore youthful function back into aged tissues. So please subscribe, as you will probably learn much, much more from me in the near future. And hit that thumbs up button also. As always, stay young and stay vibrant.